Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can create this 3D screen effect in the edit page of DaVinci Resolve, and the best part, it's a super easy way to do it. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already imported my clip for this example in my timeline. And now, go to the effects library. From here search for DVE effect, and then apply this effect to this clip. Now to create the 3D screen look, we have to select the clip and then go to the Inspector tab, click the Effects tab, next to the Video and Audio. Here you'll see the DVE effect settings. And now first thing we have to do is select the 5th version, out of 6. And then scroll down to the border parameter, then decrease the border blend value to 0. Now go to the very first frame of the clip, and then make keyframes on all these parameters. These keyframes help us to create the 3D screen look in the edit page. Now move the playhead and adjust values to animate the screen moving in 3D space. Now add a background for depth, add a second clip or image or generator on a lower track to act as a background. The rotated screen will appear as if it's floating in front of it. Pro tips: use motion blur, found in the DVE settings, for smoother movement. You can combine it with a drop shadow to enhance depth. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!